Welcome to Norton Support. In this video, you'll learn how to install your Norton product. First, open your browser and go to manage.norton.com/setup. Go ahead and type your Norton product key and click the arrow icon. You will then be prompted to enter your Norton account credentials. Once you've done so, click Sign In. Click the Agree and Download button. Afterwards, click the Norton Downloader file. A Norton product that is compatible with your device will automatically be downloaded. The download process may take a few minutes. After it's downloaded, click the Agree and Install button. This will begin the installation process. After your Norton product is installed, it will be activated and registered automatically to your Norton account. There you go, you have successfully installed your Norton product on your device. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit the Norton Support website at support.norton.com.